Hi, in this video we will be looking at the following main character. All the planets revolve around the sun. Without it, there would be no life on Earth. The sun is used practically as an energy source and a way to keep time. It is also used symbolically for hope and happiness. This is the ancient version of the main character we are looking at today. It's an illustration of the sun. Whew, that's bright. Can you see how this relates to the ancient character? As you may have guessed, this character means sun, or day, which is one cycle of the sun. Now that you know the main character, let's learn a few more characters. This is an easy one. What time of day is it when the sun just rises above the horizon? This Chinese character means dawn. Now, if you add this extra symbol, which means person, you get a Chinese character that means only or but. When a person stands in front of the horizon, he can but only wait for the sun to rise. This character is used in this word, 但是, which means however. Let's look at another character. Ooh, now we have two suns. This character is illustrating the sun and its reflection on the water. The sun will rise and get brighter from here, like the future that many people hope for. So this character means prosperous. Now, the extra little symbol that we just added means mouth. What would you do with your mouth when things are going so well for you? I don't know about you, but some people like to sing. This character means sing. It is used in this word, 唱歌, which means sing a song. It's time for another character. This one might look a little complicated, but can you first find the main character? The symbols on the top and bottom of the character for sun are some grass, and the character next to it means boat. This character illustrates the sun rising above the grass, with hopes for a smooth sail for a newly established dynasty. This character means dynasty. It also means to look toward something, as the people of a nation would look toward the kingdom of a dynasty for leadership. Can you find the Chinese character in this phrase? Did you find it? This sentence means the window faces to the east. Let's look at one more character. This is an easy one to see, right? This shows the sun being slightly overlapped. The vertical symbol next to the sun represents its afterglow from the past. This character means past. It is used like this. Can you see the character for past? This means used or old clothes. We looked at a lot of Chinese characters using the sun. This is what they were. That was a lot of characters. How many could you recall? Hit like if you can recognize some new Chinese characters, and subscribe to stay in the loop. That's it for this video. Have a good day or good night, and I hope you enjoyed learning some Chinese characters. See you in the next one. Let's look at one more character.